Hey everybody, it is fall. It's starting to get cold. I can kind of see my breath a little bit. But when it's fall, that means that MakeWater Season 4 is just around the corner. I'm just playing. It's still warm. It's still like high 90s here this week. I don't know where you live, but it's still warm here. But Season 4 is upon us, so stay tuned to find out more about the launch. All right. Season 4 launch. Oh boy, so it is fall and it is the launch of MakeWater Season 4 time right now. This means that you can officially sign up to be part of the MakeWater program. This is gonna be sort of like a launch video, but also a little catch up for everybody, part of the newsletter. If you're not signed up on the newsletter, go ahead and sign up on our website. And you know, while I'm saying that, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notifications on YouTube, keep up to date with what we're doing. Let me get right into it. This year has been amazing. This is the first year that we've become a 501c3. We did that back in April on Earth Day of all days. I was like so excited. I actually had tears in my eyes. I feel like so much has happened since April. We've applied for grants, we've applied for sponsorships. We actually want to thank HEB, the Tournament of Champions, is actually one of our first big sponsors this season. Because of them, we are able to send out about 20 kits for people who are on our waiting list. If you don't know what the waiting list is, you can sign up and you can actually get a free kit as we get donations from sponsors or even individual donors. You know, what do you have to lose there? In other news, we have partnered with Bibliotech East to actually share our program to students in the area. Bibliotech East is like a digital library. Go check them out, they are amazing. I've already met with that team, they're great. The Bibliotech East team is actually working on a 3D printed challenge. We'll see where that goes. This also means that SAW's Impact is happening again. That's one of our biggest collaborators and partners that's been with us since the beginning. So that's about to launch. And in other huge news, we had a successful fundraiser for a Bolivia team who took our kits and our curriculum and mixed it with their own to sort of teach water education in a community out in Bolivia that is running out of clean water. We're gonna have an awesome video update from them coming soon on our YouTube channel. Oh, in other big news, we were accepted to have a workshop at the CAST conference. I hear great things about it. I've never been. So if you're a teacher in Texas and you're going out to CAST, look out for our program. What else? What else do I have in news? Oh yeah, walkthrough videos. So actually, we're launching a video walkthrough guide playlist on YouTube that will walk you through the MakeWater program. It goes into what comes with the Season 4 kit, how to put the kit together, how to run it for the first time. And then it also explains what challenges are and how to take on challenges. Check out a link in this video. Maybe I have one up here. Maybe I have a video link up here. Maybe I have a video link up here. I don't know. I'll do it in post. So yeah, excited about that. And always know that everything that we do is always evolving because of community input. So we don't have all the right answers. A big part of this program is to find those right answers about the coagulator kit, what it can do, but also the curriculum and the way we run this program. So your feedback is very helpful and encouraged. So if you want, send us an email at info@makewater.org or just write something in the comments if you have some feedback. Join us on Facebook if you like, and we will learn from it along with you. If you want to buy a kit, you can do that at makewater.org. If you'd like to support us, consider going to our Patreon page, and you can donate for as little as $1 a month. Yeah. You can also donate kits to a team that's on the waiting list. So there's many ways to support, participate. Yeah, have a great MakeWater Season 4, everybody. Is that really it?